Hello, my name is Gubule Syakayuwa. I'm from Botswana. I met Dr. Suneet online while I was Googling about my health issues. So I contacted her. When contacting her, it requested on how early I would want to be assisted. I think I stated something like 6 months. I think something like 12 months from then. But I contacted her regardless. So we started talking. So my medical issue was acid reflux. I came here for a fund application, which was conducted 5 days after I arrived. All medical examinations were done. Laryngoscopy, endoscopy. I saw the ENT doctor. I met an ENT doctor, a gastro doctor, to conduct all the investigations before they could go any further with the operation that I requested. In the hospital, I was being guided by Sajid and Nikhil. They received me in the hospital the first day. They were on the queues on my behalf. I never went to any queues. I was being attended to very fast. Yeah, like I said, within a week of my arrival, the surgery was done. I would like to commend them for their exceptional service. They were very helpful, always checking up on me. And basically, they did everything that I asked them to in regard to medical issues at the hospital. I was never stuck throughout the whole process. So I would like to thank Dr. Subi for your quick response, and then how she managed the whole process while I was here. The other problem I had was a pain on my throat. I had a pain on my on the right side of my throat. I've been complaining about the pain for about 3 years. I'd gone to doctors back home regarding the same. They tried, but nothing. The issue wasn't resolved. I came here. I went into the surgery. Okay, let me just say in short, ever since the surgery, I haven't felt that pain. That one is gone. I'm sure it's gone. I won't say much because I'm supposed to be on voice rest for a couple of days. In fact, for me to find out about it, I think it was by chance. I came across it by chance as I was just going through, trying to find out what the issue was with my condition. I mean, what the condition, how I could get my condition resolved. I came through Lyfboat. The spelling is Lyfboat, Lyfboat. And if you've got issues, if you've got medical problems, I think based on my experience, I would advise them. They are very responsive. And then you get to get a second opinion regarding your condition and the like. Upon my arrival, let me say, when it was final that I was coming here, Lyfboat assisted me with a visa for me and my attendant. I was able to pay for the visa online from back home. Since my second visa for my attendant couldn't go through, Lyfboat offered to pay for that visa on my behalf, and then requested that I pay upon arrival. Upon arrival at the airport, I found someone waiting for me, ready to take me to my hotel. When I reached the hotel, the man saw to it that I checked checked into my room. He left me and my attendant. Then I was contacted by, that's when Sajid and Nikhil contacted me. Notify me that they will be my respondents at the hospital. They were there the entire time I was at the hospital, doing all the necessities on my behalf. All I had to do was just go and see doctors. They were on the queues for me, like I had mentioned earlier. And they were speaking to all the doctors and just translating to me where necessary, which of course wasn't necessary because the doctors were fluent in English. After I was done at the hospital, they got me, they organized my transport. They organized my transport back to the airport. So it was an all-round trip. They see me through here and they ensure that I board on the plane back home. How I got to know about this hospital, I used to Google my problems on the internet, on Google. I would just write basically, I've got this issue and where can I have it done? Then a Lyfboat popped up. It's more like a site that allows you to contact. You just state your problem and then doctors get in touch with you.